This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by carl.addy. 2.5% assumable loan with additional cash. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath split floor plan is loaded with features such as a gas oven/cooktop, central vacuum system, oak hardwood flooring in the living room, ceramic tile in the kitchen and baths, and an inline water heater with an electric water heater to supplement if needed, the guest bedrooms. The kitchen has granite counters and island tops. There are ponderosa blinds throughout. The large master ensuite has a tub and a separate shower with 2 large closets. An inset back porch opens up to a large deck with a railing. A custom-built 16x20 shop with a roll-up door and attached dog kennel. A separate well pump is for the irrigation system. No HOA, no restrictions, and the location make this property desirable. It has wooded lots on both sides and is 5 minutes to the OA Resort and 10 minutes or less to Tanger Outlets and the great restaurants of Foley. The beautiful white sand beaches of the Gulf and restaurants in Gulf Shores and Orange Beach are about 20 minutes away. Downtown Pensacola, with outstanding restaurants, is about a 30-minute drive. Note: 2.5% VA assumable loan for qualified applicants, veterans or non-veterans, and cash. Possession is to be taken at a maximum of 10 days after closing. Maybe a puppy in a kennel in the master bedroom. Allowance of $5,000 for paint and upgrade of carpet in guest bedrooms with full list price offer. All viable information is to be verified by the buyer or buyer's agent. Seller is a licensed real estate agent in Baldwin County and the state of Alabama. Buyer to verify all information during due diligence. For more information, review the details.